In Dakshina Kannada constituency, the upcoming Lok Sabha election on April 26, 2024 sees a contest between BJP's Capt. Brijesh Chowta and Congress Padmaraj vying for the seat previously held by Nalin Kumar Kateel of BJP. The area is marked by the dominance of OBC and Vokkaliga communities. In the 2019 elections, Nalin Kumar Kateel won with 7,74,285 votes, defeating Congress Mithun and SDPI's Ilyas Mohammed Thumbe. The voter turnout was 77.90%. In the 2014 polls, Kateel secured 6,42,739 votes, defeating Congress Janardhan Poojary with a turnout of 76.74%. Dakshina Kannada, formerly known as Mangalore Lok Sabha constituency, is situated near Kerala and holds historical significance. It emerged after delimitation in 2008 and has a population of approximately 2.89 million, with 53% rural and 47% urban residents. Scheduled caste population is around 8%, while scheduled tribe population is about 4%. Nalin Kumar Kateel has won all 3 elections in this constituency so far.